All right, welcome everyone. Welcome to the channel. What's up everyone? How's everyone doing? I am back on the Aprilia RS660. Kind of a crazy day yesterday and today. I'll try to make it short. Long story short. Right now I'm on my way to a tire shop because I just had my Toyota 2023 Toyota Tundra. I had it towed there. How short can I make this? All right, so I have preparing for track day at Chuckwalla. We're going to Chuckwalla this weekend. Today is Thursday. We'll be leaving Friday tomorrow, and track day is Saturday and Sunday. And so just kind of preparing, getting ready for everything, prepping the bike, getting the truck ready because I have a trailer, and as you probably see in my other videos, I put my bikes in the trailers. So two things happened. I was checking on the bike on the Aprilia, noticed that the rear tires probably got 1 day left, maybe like a half a day of on the rear tire. So rather than just worried about my rear tire when I'm on the track, is I decided to get another one. Well, as some of you probably know, if you don't know, the Super Corsas, which I run on the Aprilia, the SC3s, even the Super Corsa V3s, and now the V4s that are coming out aren't out yet. They're almost impossible to find. I mean, I call it everywhere. So it looks like I'm gonna have to go with the Q5s, the Dunlop Q5s, which a local tire store has that. So that's what I'm gonna do today. But in the meantime, I had a nail in my tire on my Toyota Tundra, and I have the big oversized 35-inch rough terrain tires, and they pick up a lot of nails, unfortunately. So I thought I could plug it myself. I took the nail out, did the whole tire kit, whatever. But because of the way the nail was angled, it just created a bigger hole. It didn't work. I tried lots of things. I tried a lot of things, from stopping the air from coming out and not letting it get total flat. But that didn't work. I even have an off-road tire inflator. So if I take it off-road, it hooks up to your battery and can inflate your tire. That didn't work. So when all else fails, you call AAA. So that's what I just did. Called AAA. They've already picked up my bike. They're taking it out there right now. Are we supposed to tip? Whoa. Okay. Are we supposed to tip tow truck drivers? I can't remember. Man, I don't have any cash on me. Oh well. Oh, this guy coming over. That was a late turn. So anyway, so I'm going to do that, and then after I go and settle, because they have the tire there. The tire's going to be there later on this afternoon, so they'll hopefully be able to get it done. And I'll be straight on my truck. The bike, as soon as I leave the tire store, I'm going to head on over to the tire shop and drop this off, and then my daughter, who's in town, is going to pick me up. And then I'm going to go back and hopefully do a little bit of work, and then also go get I can't get my trailer yet, never mind. Try to keep prepping for track day, so when my buddies get here tomorrow and we load our bikes, I'll be pretty much ready to go as soon as the truck is ready. There. Right now I'm using the Ace Pro, the Insta360 Ace Pro. First time using it. Hopefully the mic, you guys are hearing this pretty good. I tried it yesterday on the BMW 1250 RT. I made this entire video, but I I didn't put the mic adapter, plug it all the way in, so it didn't take any audio, so that was a fail. All right, where's this tire place? So anyway, I'll talk about the Ace Pro on my way to the tire shop. I'm gonna probably just go ahead and sign off here, and I'll be back at you guys on my way back to the motorcycle shop.